Hello all, hope you all doing great. Welcome to our channel Chitti the Future Maker. In this channel we provide information related jobs. Now we're gonna discuss in detail regarding the central government jobs that is related to doctor's post, and the name is SAIL recruitment. The SAIL recruitment full form is Steel Authorized of India Limited. This is for openings for doctors, that is the candidates who have completed MBBS, BDS, or PG diploma in relevant subjects can apply for this job, and the designation for this job is it's doctors. We have 11 vacancies for this post, and you can apply from Feb 5th, and this is the last date the interested candidates to be applied for. It's from March 3rd 2021 on or before 9:30 a.m. and the location is for Kolkata. The name of the posts that I have for this particular one is 11, and it was divided into three categories. That is GDMO, we have a 4 count of posts, and dentist we have only 1 post, and specializations we have 6 posts. The selection process is of an interview. The candidates who are interested can walk into the interview on or before 9:30 a.m. of March 3rd, so that you will be having an interview on 3rd March. As we speak, we need to apply on or before 9:30 a.m. 3rd March. The age limit for this particular job is 69 years, and the salary, the candidates who are selected or are recruited for this particular one are having a salary of 77,000 to 2,20,000 per month. Steps to apply: you need to get more details for this job, then you can get the link in the description. Kindly go through it, download that form and fill the application form, and offline you need to add all the necessary documents so that you can attend the interview, walk-in interview. The venue and the important dates were, as we spoke, it's a walk-in interview. The date and time is as follows, like March 3rd from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. the interview will be there. Venue for this particular one is 5th floor Industry House Building, 10th Cormac Street, Kolkata and West Bengal. And the other venue is 2nd floor Projects and Modernization Building, RSP, Rockler, Odisha. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you for your time. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel Chitti the Future Maker. For more interesting updates, please click the bell icon.